Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Chicago University finally comes clean. They see what they just admitted about Ashiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu, the president of Nigeria. For some time now, the back and forth have been on with regards to Tinubu's academic record. And Chicago State University has not been forthcoming, with people wondering if they had something to hide. Anyway, Atiku, one of the presidential candidates precisely of the People Democratic Party, instigated a lawsuit against the university and Tinubu to see his academic record to ascertain if he was a student, if he graduated, and if he was the very candidate, because apparently there appears to be one Bola Tinubu who attended the university, and on it was written F, meaning female. So that became a bone of contention. The court have had to listen to this, and the solution and to clear the matter lies with Chicago State University. As we speak, Chicago State University has come up with some evidences to show to us that this is what is going on if Tinubu actually attended the school. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Breaking news, Chicago State University finally did it. Give answers if Tinubu attended the institution, graduated in 1979. The Chicago State University yesterday confirmed that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu attended the university in 1979 with a bachelor's degree. The university disclosed this in a statement issued to CBS Broadcasting Institute, generally referred to as CBN News, one of America's biggest, most influential news network. It, however, pointed out that United States federal law prevents us from giving any further information about Bola Tinubu's record without adequate consent and he agreeing to it. It is the United States law, and this law had to be activated as Tinubu is the president of Nigeria. We cannot just give out if it is information without him expressly wanting it so. Without any consent or he allowing us to do so, you will have to go via the courts. And even with the courts, there are restrictions. The candidate we are talking about is the president of a country. The presidential candidate of the People Democratic Party in the 2023 election, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, has alleged that the document showing that Tinubu graduated from Chicago State University in 1979 were not authentic, and had highlighted it as on grounds of nullifying Tinubu's election victory. The certificate was issued in 1979 and signed by the university president Elare Daniel, but Daniel did not arrive at CSU until 1998 and left about 10 years later, submitting falsifying records to the National Election Commission before the vote should notify the election, Atiku had claimed. At the hearing in Chicago this week, Atiku's lawyer had asked the federal judge to compare the Chicago State University to turn over Tinubu's academic documents and appear for deposition. Judge Jeffrey Gilbert of the United States District Court of the Northern District of Illinois did not rule on the request. Chicago State University lawyer Mike told Gilbert that the university wouldn't be able to clarify Tinubu's diploma until or under oath. He said, are you listening? The university said no feed one under oath. I remember I said, don't tell us, say, this person they talk about now, the president of a country. They've also told us that it is the United States government does not, will not allow Tinubu's record to just be released. It is the president of a country. Do you understand? Let's continue. He said the university could confirm the president graduated. It cannot authenticate the diploma because it is a ceremonial document and will not be part of a student official academic document. Earlier this month, the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal has dismissed Atiku's claim against Tinubu of the February 25th election, but the People Democratic Party candidate continued to fight the president's academic record in Chicago, saying it was falsified and not a real one. So these are the issues now. The university just to say 9 students, but they're not talking any other thing again. They just to say we say yes is our student. Again, according to the university, you heard it. He said the United States law does not permit them to give out Tinubu's document. So you see, it's either they don't want to tell us something, or they say, may we back out. Yes, they say we should back out. So even the university carry lawyer go court, say they're not going to release Tinubu document. So now where we did be that. So is that maybe these powers are coming from high places, or somebody don't strike a deal? These are all assumption. No? We don't know. We are not certain for sure things that have gone on in those parameters and why it is so difficult. For goodness sake, if you want to authenticate something and the thing is real, if the thing is there, there is no need to hide or to pretend or to try to make it shady. Yes, he attended. These are his record. Go and check for yourself. The whole argument will die a natural death. You will see, you will not need to stab it. It will naturally, it will die a natural death. Naturally. You will not need to struggle. I can assure you. You will not need to struggle. I can assure you for free. You will not need to struggle. It will just die a natural death. So why are we trying to shade and color code this thing? If really, sincerely, truly speaking, he attended the school, like they said he did now, produce the results, just put it out there. I believe that American president or those who are holding sensitive position, the academic record is not a secret to the general public. He attended blah, 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 blah school. He was an alumni of this. When you go to the school, you see face for the B-board. He was the class captain. He was this. He was in this football. He was in that. It's glaring enough for all eyes to see. So how come when it comes to Nigerian one, even the government of the United Kingdom said with his laws, he cannot just release Tinubu's documents? Well, we'll leave it at that. And we would like to hear your view on this matter. We'd like to hear what you think. We'd like to really hear your sincere view. Okay? To know exactly what you're thinking with regards to all these things going on. So that together we can really make a headway and this country, can change. Remember that you have a voice. So let us speak together and end everything and anything that will not move us forward and bring us to where we ought to be. God bless. Bye for now.